up this morning, boys. Going to get coffee right now. Of course I woke up this morning. I wake up every morning. Anyways, it's kind of an interesting day. It's coronavirus day 67 or 69, preferably day 69. And the quarantining is going so well out here. I'm going to get some essentials from the store and some food. And then we're gonna get to this. Leatherface is finally being swapped out. But with what? I don't know. I guess you'll have to find out what's gonna replace it. So, sit down, take a seat. We're gonna get some tacos from the taco spot and really evaluate this situation. So, let's do it. Got the essentials for sure. Cash out for the taco man. And we're on, and I will show you the tacos, trust me. You're like, dude, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, why are you getting tacos? Well, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, why are you not getting tacos? We're all gonna die, might as well enjoy the tacos while we can. Right? My face of content. I don't know if you could see the content on my face, but yes, the smack. Some say it might look like a salad, but it's not. It's delicious. So you can find a street taco man around you. Hit him up. Get some carne asada. He'll set you up fat. Also, if he's got red sauce and a lot of people ain't taking it, there's probably a reason why. Because that shit's hot. It'll melt your face off. Enjoy. I ain't gonna eat that on camera. I'm not weird like that. So, wheel's coming off. We're gonna unbox the new wheel and take a look at what we've got here.
Charlie Shuffler. Charlie Shuffler.
I'm an idiot. So, finished the install off camera by accident. I thought I had my camera rolling for all these studs. I don't feel like taking them off again, just to show you putting studs on to a hub. This is it. This is the wheel. I didn't really want this suede material because it wears down bad, gets dirty fast. So I'm gonna swap this over probably to the GC once it's running, and I'll run the Nardi that I intended to buy that's in a container off the coast for the next 4 to 5 weeks on here when I get it, and we'll go from there, because the black leather without the suede is like what I wanted so that it would last longer. This is going to be more of the daily than the Subaru. It's not like it was way far out like the last wheel because of that adapter. It was like in your chest, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. Looks pretty clean. Gonna go get some essentials from the local store, and I guess I'll let you know how I like actually driving with it compared to like this is a 350 millimeter compared to whatever was on there, maybe a 320 or like not even, probably smaller, dude. Honestly, it's a little Pete's, a little small Pete's. Ran into a little issue, typical fashion here. It's not straight. Reason being is I didn't get the actual little energy guy lined up properly because I thought my hub was straight, but what I thought was wrong. So when I actually did this was all straight and everything, but the hub wasn't straight. So there we go. Case in point, we get a misaligned steering wheel. So I'll have to take the back piece of the quick disconnect off and reinstall that. Probably just move it like these three, or turn it one rotation. So one rotation, I don't know, not one rotation, but I guess one nut over, and it should bring that so that this yellow line is straight when I'm driving straight. Because this one's a head games right here. But otherwise, man, it definitely feels a lot better with a 350 millimeter wheel versus the tiny guy I had before, the pizza disc. It's a lot easier to maneuver the car because I don't have power steering in this car. It's a lighter car, it doesn't really need it. Never had it when I bought it, so I insisted on keeping it that way. And it was a nightmare at first, but with this is gonna help a lot. It's actually really nice. It's more comfortable to drive for sure. So my camera's dirty, so this video is gonna suck. Oh, it's filthy. Well, you live and you learn, right, boys? Thanks for watching. This is a kind of a different one. It's nice because it's been a year since the K-swaps, or about a year since the K-swaps been completed, and I'm starting to clean up the car and these smaller little things like this, and it really brings the car together as you do all these little doodads and whisker-doos. And this car's been good to me. I really kind of abuse it more than I should, and I drive hard to work and drive hard home and don't change the oil as often as I should, and I really beat on the car all the time, and it's only let me down, not really majorly at all. Really, the only thing that's let me down lately is the shifter cables kind of pop off, and it's kind of annoying randomly, and I'm diagnosing that issue. But aside from that, I've only been stranded maybe once, and even then it was battery related, so I can't hate on this. This setup is, it's useful, works, it's practical, and it's fun, and it's a good time. So if you haven't looked into K-swapping a video, make sure you check out some of my older videos. I did a K-swap on the channel into this here 92-95 Civic. The process is a lot of fun. If you're worried about trying to do it, stop worrying and just do it.